are here at the Art of Animation at Disney. We are going to go ride the Skyliner Routes. Come along with us. Come on. Let's go make some memories. This lake that's right here is called Hourglass Lake, I believe. So from the Skyliner station, this is the view looking the opposite way. When you get off the Skyliner here, to the left over this way is Pop Century. To the right over this way is the Art of Animation's hotel. Both these resorts are basically mirror images of each other. They're just backwards, if that makes any kind of sense. On the one you make a right, the other one you make a left. Maybe I confused you, now you'll be lost. Just make sure when you get off the Skyliner you don't walk straight or you're gonna end up in the lake. All right? Either left or right will get you to one of those two resorts.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados. Supervisen a sus niños. $2.54. Thank you. Oh, we got Coco. Here we go. Whee! Oh, I love that initial. Don't you love that?
Yeah, it's cool.
I don't know if you guys can see that here, but the air circulation in here is pretty good. For a summer day, you feel the breeze, right?
Yeah.
So it's not air conditioned, right?
No.
It's not. But the air circulation somehow seems to work, and they have this mesh that they decorate with different Disney movie characters and stuff that keeps the sun from being too strong too.
This is the route that took us from Pop Century and Art of Animation, their station that's there, and it's taken us to their central hub station, which is at Caribbean Beach Resort. Then from there, there's two more routes. One goes to Hollywood Studios, one goes to Epcot.
Okay.
We're gonna ride them all.
Yeah, let you guys see what they're like. It's pretty long one, the other one, right? Is this one the shorter one?
Yeah, this is the short one.
Do you know what resort that is, babe? That's is that Caribbean Beach?
Yeah, it's part of Caribbean Beach.
Part of Caribbean Beach. Oh, that looks so pretty. So here we are about to disembark. This is one of the disembark ones, right?
Yeah.
So this first one is pretty short. You'll see how much different the next one is. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is see how it says welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort and transfers to Park and Resorts this way. Which one are we taking next? We could take either one. Hollywood Studios it is. Let's go. So we're gonna leave the best for last, okay? We're gonna do Hollywood Studios from here. Now there you're literally getting to the park entrance. So there's not much to see and do there, but we want you to see it anyway. I love these little decals on these things too.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. We will resume your journey as soon as possible. Thank you.
Oh no. All of them? All of them got delayed? I don't know.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem. Alright, so we're back on. We're back on. This one is, I think this one's Monsters. I think this one's Monsters Inc.
And
Randall. I was going to say Russell, but that's wrong. Randall, okay. Alright, here we go. You're in. Whee! Initial takeoff has commenced.
We're lifted above the sky.
I really like these rides. I mean, they're not like super duper exciting, but to me they are.
Oh, your hair!
What's wrong with my hair?
Your hair is blowing up.
Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders.
And over there's the Swan Resort. I'm not sure if that's the official name of it. Dolphin and the Swan.
In just a few minutes, we will be arriving at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Whether you plan to visit a galactic outpost or play with all of Andy's toys,
Oh my god, I
at
got
Disney's
Medusa.
Hollywood Studios, everyone can become stars of their favorite cinematic stories.
I look like Medusa with little hairy snakes.
Why does it have these snakes?
So this is the bus area. It used to be in a different spot, but they moved it over here.
Ladies,
Yeah,
gentlemen,
this whole
and
area
members
is
of
all
the
laid down
Academy,
over here.
welcome
The
to
entranceway
Disney's
for-
Hollywood Studios.
The entranceway is completely redone here for Hollywood Studios. So if you haven't been to this park in a couple of years, the whole intro where you get dropped off from the buses, everything is different now.
Yeah, what you remember is not what's
Please
here,
remain
so
seated
have that
until
in
the doors
mind.
automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children.
We're
Collect
going
your
down for
belongings, and watch
real.
your steps.
I'm sorry.
I wish I
Thank
had
you
my
for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la
It always feels like you're gonna crash. Ooh, look, it's Groot.
Mom,
And Rocket
look
Red
back
King.
to it. Looks like the person's gonna crash into you.
Gracias por volar.
No! Wait, they are crash into you.
Thank you. Come on, little one. Thank you. You too. The Tower of Terror. The famous Tower of Terror.
I
Woo.
believe that's supposed to take you to Epcot.
So obviously right here you'd get off and you go to the right if you're going to the park, left if you're going to the buses, and then back on right here, which we were gonna do in a minute.
All right, so now we're hopping the Skyliner back from Hollywood Studios. Now we're taking it back to the Central Hub station. I'm not sure what they call it, I gotta look. But at Caribbean Beach Resort's where we're heading back to. But it's a hot day today. It's gotta be probably about 90, 91. And you get a nice breeze coming from the vents up here, so as we saw Medusa earlier. I am not Medusa. My Medusa fled the building.
I like these. Now we're gonna do the last one we had, which is the Riviera Resort / Epcot one. Ratatouille. The suspense is killing me. Oh, look, the views on this one's really nice. Oh, look it. Oh, and it's coconuts. Well, not her coconuts, but you know what I mean.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner
Oh,
at
look, you can
Disney's
see a
Caribbean
spaceship
Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to
Right
Epcot.
around there. I think it's there. I can't see it in the small video.
Hold
but I
on to
see
your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
So which resort is this? Do you ever know?
Caribbean Beach.
Oh, this all is? Wow, Caribbean Beach is huge. Whoa.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort,
Yeah, there
home
you
to
go.
a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
Oh, it is huge.
So here, down here, it's gonna make a turn and go, you could get off here. You have a choice to get off here for the Riviera Resort, or you can keep on going where it'll turn
In
then
just a
eventually to
minute,
Epcot.
we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas of Europe's Mediterranean coast.
Bienvenue.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step.
You sweating much?
That's hot.
It is hot. I didn't feel the air as much on this one.
No, me
I
neither.
don't know if the vents aren't open or if it's just not, or it's probably because it doesn't have the decoration. It doesn't keep the sun out.
Maybe.
Yeah, remember I said that about the other ones, how they have the thing to keep the sun out? This one doesn't, and so therefore maybe that's why it feels hotter. Very possible. Cocoa! There's a lot of cocoa ones. I like seeing the decorations on the sides. They're pretty. Peter Pan, Cocoa.
Are we staying on?
We're staying on, yeah.
Yay.
Yay! I wish I could, I was gonna say I wish I could whistle. There you go. We just took off.
That big blue building over there, that's the new Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster that's coming. It's supposed to open up, I believe, next year sometime. That's a huge building.
And all of this here is Epcot.
See this Speedway gas station that's down here? It's one of 3 gas stations actually on Walt Disney World property. And you would think Walt Disney World property gas prices, their gas prices actually aren't that bad. They're pretty comparable to elsewhere in Orlando. So if you need gas, don't feel like you have to go off property to get it.
Now might be a good time to practice your hola.
So as you can see here, we're pulling into the back of World Showcase, and we're actually going into basically right next to the France Pavilion. You can see the Eiffel Tower here, and then right down in this corner, this is all the brand new stuff that was just built for the new Ratatouille attraction. It actually is brand new and just opened. There it is right
There
there.
it is, Ratatouille.
We are now arriving at Epcot.
I wish I could tell you how long
All
it's
who
been
come to
waiting.
this place of joy,
I can't tell.
hope, and friendship,
Doesn't seem
welcome.
to be a line. Not on the outside anyway.
I think it's done like Rise of Resistance, where it's done where you have to reserve a grouping. And then
Oh,
they call you a group member. I believe they're doing it the same way.
Oh, interesting.
Please remain
See,
seated
this is so
until
nice.
the
You
doors
just feel like you're in the
automatically
park for a
open.
little bit, which
When
is
exiting
exciting.
the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your
That
step.
entrance right there is called
Thank you for
International
flying
Gateway. That's a back way to get into Epcot.
Thank you. And then you basically just turn right back, and there it is, the entrance. All right, we're gonna do this again. So we decided to get off and explore the Riviera Resort for a second real quick.
Yep, that's what this walkway is.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's see if I can sneak a view of the actual hotel here. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. La 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 la. That's so pretty. Look, her tower. Look at all the. Oh, that's beautiful. They're like made out of all these little tile pieces, mosaic, I guess. How pretty.
So we just took the Skyliner route back to the Caribbean Beach hub here, and then we're gonna catch that one back over there, back to Art of Animation, so we can get back to where we started from. But hope you guys enjoyed following along with us on the Skyliner. Hopefully the little tips that we gave you guys will help you out. And hope you liked this video. If you did, give it that big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed already. And that'll do it. We'll see you soon.